And then it was Thursday. The week flies by. Yeah, week flies by. No gas yet, we'll get some, definitely next episode. This episode, we're going to try and strip the front hubs down and see what's behind the drums, see what the state of them is, see whether we're going to need new bits and bobs. Again, all ready for shot blasting. This week is all about just getting ready for shot blasting next week. I keep saying that, and I think I've said that before. Shot blasting next week. But yeah, definitely this week, definitely next week. I mean, we need to get moving. Paint people nearly sorted out, got to call them later. Epoxy primer, because as soon as it's shot blast, we've got to get it in epoxy primer. Sort of seat belts to take out still. Little push button headlight dip switch needs to come out still, but yeah, things like that. Not the end of the world anyway, the shot blast can go, yeah. It's all good. Anyway, so yeah, let's go see if we can take a hub apart and drum and see what's behind all the drums and things. Okay, my nice clean working environment. Looks like there's no split pins, as I said. Looks like someone's been at this already, so hoping that they don't come apart too badly. We'll see what we're going to do. We might leave the hub on, I don't know. We'll see. Let's take it apart and have a look. Well, they all looked fairly shiny from the outside, but I don't know if you can see, yeah, rust got in. I could maybe free them off with C, but in reality we'll see how much they are new. I can't turn that, so it's definitely stuck. You know, maybe for drying it off will be alright, but yeah, you can see. So yeah, looks like that's all destined for the scrapping. Oh, peeing down. Alrighty, hope you can hear me over the rain. All brake parts are out now, drive shaft out. I've just got the knuckle joints to do, which I'll get the old impact gun, air impact gun, to try and loosen them off. A lot easier, hopefully, doing it that way than it is, especially when they're loose like that. So alright, I'll try and hold these still and try and undo the big knuckle joints that are on them. And then I think we'll leave the steering arm on, we'll leave the back plate to the hub. We'll just get the guys to shot blast them. I'm thinking of shot blasting them. As I said, I've got the Paul 15 stuff to use. I could just wire brush them up, but I think we got their services, so let's give them a go. And yeah, try and do it a bit professionally, as they say. So anyway, fire up the old compressor. And start on the other hub as well, so I might start on the hub, see what the time is. As always, there's always one side being a bit more of a bugger. Drum's not coming off just yet. Just started to soak the adjusters in oil, penetrating oil, to see if I can loosen them off for a bit. See if I can try and adjust the drums back in a bit, and hopefully that will make the drum come off, or the shoes, adjust the shoes back in so the drum comes off. Anyway, so we'll just leave like that for a bit. Let me see if we can do a little bit more in a minute. Not too sure how good the light. That's better, you're right way around. Not too sure how good the lighting is, but found the old socket, the big knuckle joints, which is always good. Hard to lose that sometimes. I've got the air gun. Okay, compressor liners, take the knuckle joints off the other one. That's all done, and then go from there about what we're shot blasting. What we're doing about the drum. Knuckle joints off. Always worth keeping the shims that come with them underneath. You do get some in the kits when you get new ones, but always nice to have a few different shims around because they're different thicknesses. Help you redo their things. Always keep them. Always come in handy. Alright, let's attack this drum now. See if we can get this drum off. You know, for this, now you can see, I don't know if you can see, rusty. So that's why it was stuck on there. You can see it's stuck to the pads. Got water in there sitting in the field. And what I did was I undid the slave cylinders from the back, which then allowed all the brake pads to wiggle and everything, and freed it all off. And I bashed the sort of the cylinders through from the other side a little bit just to loosen them all off. So anyway, nearly there. I can't find a socket for the hub nut. Idiot. Let's get it finished stripped, and I think we're going to have to call it a day. Get in there then. Okay, can't find a socket. Just for the fun of it and the end of this video and being non-professional, need to take this tyre off the rim. It's a completely ruined tyre. Can't tell if it's got inner tubing or not, but basically you can see that there's a big old crack along there. So yeah, with the tools around us, disc cutter, hammer, chisel, I haven't got any tyre levers on me. We're going to attempt to take this off, and it should be quite fun. And then we're going to call it in it. Okay, done. Wow. Yeah, point of that, not too quite sure. Apart from to teach you guys maybe not to do that, because that was a thankless task. The old time machines make it look easy. Obviously they don't just cut it with a disc cutter and a Dremel. Yeah, breaking the bead was a key thing. So yeah, I've seen those sort of DIY tools. My dad uses one, he's still 72. Those mechanical ones where you just sort of lever down on them. I'm not too sure if they do smaller wheels or not, but he still does them out. Oh, I can't believe it. But anyway, since it gives them a good workout. But yeah, I just did that out of, it was been laying around, getting them away. So what I might do is nip down to Pete, mate, and see if you can whip the other tyres off. Yeah, brilliant. So take the weight off it, and that's ready for shot blasting. We smack that old English white. Poof, 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 poof. Lovely, lovely. Which is quite handy because Jimbo left some old English white laying around when he came up here. Silly old Jimbo. Anyway, that'll do for now. A good phone call today with the paint guys, the paint shop. I say paint shop, the paint supplier. So I'll be telling you more details about that in the next week or so. And yeah, all good. Thanks for watching. Sausages. Can't beat sausages for tea, can you? Big sausages. Bye all.